Hi guys, welcome to the Renegade Gamer. Today we will be playing Euro Truck Simulator 2. What I'm going to do is I will be creating a new company, new playthrough, and whenever I play this game I will do videos, keep you up to date with all the progress that this driver makes. I have previously made a save file on this game. I've got quite far in it, but I don't want to pick up a new channel, a new video series on something that I have already got pretty balls deep into. So, hence starting the new one. So we will start. Let's pick a driver. That's the guy who I picked last time. Man looks like he's, badass. Who do we go for? I want someone that's not too mad looking, to be honest. But at the same time, you can see them in as a truck driver, do you know what I mean? Who should we go for? I mean, that guy looks suave. That guy does look suave. He looks like Steve Jobs if he had hair. Let's just take another scroll down. Oh. Go for that dude. Which truck do we like, guys? I think we will be going for the man, because it's manly. A little bit too European for my liking. But it's the coolest looking logo, so fuck it, let's go for it. What should we go for? What shall we go for? Sorry if you hear me slurping, but I am drinking a coffee. It's a good question. It takes a lot of doing. This does. How about Mother Trucker? Nah, don't like that. We're gonna get rid of this bit up here. Really. Sorry, but this just isn't working. Working again. Sorry, I think my keyboard is completely going on the fritz. So we'll call the guy Dell. And if we go Dell's livery. Yeah, my keyboard's definitely on the fritz. No, how about Dell? Apparently I can't spell. How about Dell ivory. Nah, still not happy. I'm not happy with that. Dell's delivery. We'll go with that. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Redo Dell. Yeah. Language. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Let's create this dude. Okay, let's get driving. Here we go. So. Completely forgot how to start this now. What do we do to start? There we go. Just have a little look round. Look at the cab. It's not mine, but we'll give it a go. Right, let's go. Typical lorry driver thing to do. Sorry if there's any lorry drivers watching, but I have completely just offended those who are. Okay. I am a driver in real life. I used to have a license. I still have a license, but I actually ride a bike nowadays, so this feels pretty alien to me in a way, because it's a bit like whoa. I mean, I'm backing that out onto the yeah, I've pretty screwed this up. First delivery, and it's a shambles already. But we can turn around. We can... I've got this. Don't worry, I've got this. Okay. I am not going to be faffing around with that. Excellent. Cool. 361 euros, that ain't bad. I will be changing that to pounds, but for the time being, we'll just leave it as euros. Miles per hour will be getting made. This is your headquarters. That's not looking good, is it? Pretty basic garage. Basic? Run down. That's derelict. Okay. Maybe I can just steal a truck. Might have to do everything though. Job market, quick job. We could go Southampton to Cardiff. It's a nice leisurely drive. Myself £3,000. Let's take that job. I like long haul journeys. I mean, you're there for an actual in-time real hour, but you get ridiculous money. I need to get out this way, so don't I? Right, so an immediate swift right turn, please. Yes, for those of you who don't know, I use a controller when gaming. I know it's like a cardinal sin. People hate the fact that I use a controller. I grew up on Xbox and I've never been able to shake the bad habit, unfortunately. So yes, I am using a controller while doing this. Turning these country roads is pretty difficult. I'll tell you what, this game, if nothing else, this game just goes to show how truck drivers have it hard, you know. It's not as easy as people think. Oh, I've got new mail apparently. Trucks don't actually stop that quick in real life. especially if it's wet and raining. But we'll go with it. About to hit the barrier there. Oh, this is a shaky start. You'd never guess that I've played this game for a good 60 hours plus already, would you? Crazy, but I mean, I've done 90 down the motorway and flipped a 23-ton truck of plums before. Plums, Michael Rosen. I am definitely breaking the limit. No, I'm not. I thought I'd be breaking the limit. I'm doing grossly under. I'm doing half the limit. Oh dear. Anyone that's behind me must be going mad. I don't know if there is anyone behind me. So, because this is the first episode, these episodes won't be long. They'll be... Ooh, I just want to calm it down. These episodes will be about maybe half an hour at most, depending on how I feel. Don't want to stress myself out too much. Besides, YouTube was spazzing out earlier on when I was making a video that was longer than an hour. Oh, couldn't handle it. Could not handle it. You candle it. Little shout out to a Carl Pilkington Rockbuster there. Okay, I should probably put the radio on next time because this is boring. I mean, 10 minutes into this and I'm already slating my own content. Brilliant. Just while I've not really got anything to talk about at the moment. Shout out to two friends, Ben and Jack. You should check their channels out if you are not either Ben or Jack. Check them out. There's Hobo, which is actually the Elite Hobo, but he's just shortened it because it's easier. Hobo. Pretty good name. He's not actually a hobo. Don't chuck your money at him. He's quite well to do. He's going to hate me saying that. And because it's not true really. And then there's Jack. He is 30 Fork, along with his pals John and David, or as we like to call him, Di. The meme spammer. Spams a load of memes in a Facebook chat, and he doesn't realise yet that none of us look at it. And if we do, it's just to let him think that we still look at it, but we don't. Got another 2 hours, 41 minutes apparently of this drive. I'm starting to get traffic behind me now. But that's alright. That's bound to happen. So it'll ease off the accelerator because going downhill. Maybe just apply a bit of brake in there. Don't want to be going over that limit. And continue. Yes, I am manual controls. Yes, I know there's an automatic like speed limiter, cruise control, but I'm not using that yet. I will eventually switch that on, but I don't want to switch that on yet. Okay, look at that hot air balloon, guys. I mean, I'm taking it out of sight now, but there was a hot air balloon. Oh! Oh, that's rogue. That is rogue. I mean, I have actually seen that before, believe it or not. Someone being a bit tired. It wasn't actually a lorry, it was a car. I see someone come around a bend too much. Practically drift it round the bend. Oh, something out of Tokyo, mate. Tokyo Drift. But yeah, crazy stuff. Ooh, going over the white line a bit. Could be worse. Could be going on to oncoming traffic, like I just did a minute ago. I'm gonna try and vow not to rage quit and turn it off if I crash. If I crash, I have to accept the consequences on the other game, like if I'd flip a lorry, I'd be like, right, that's okay, just turn it off now and it won't register. I won't have to pay the 10 grand. But on this, if I cock up, well, man is going to have to pay for said cock up. So, like if I get caught speeding, for example, I don't know if I've got the speed traffic rules on this. I don't know if I can run red lights in that. I'll have to turn that back on as well. Shout out to Ben. Yeah, I'm definitely not got that limiter on because I'm doing well over the limit. That cop car just did nothing. Shout out to Ben's channel, Hobo. He's currently doing a high speed playthrough of this. So literally just bombing it as fast as you can. Doesn't matter if you flip it. Just accept the consequences and see if it's actually, if it's beneficial to break the speed limit. But he's a terrible driver, whereas I can do 90 down the motorway pretty much the whole way and get there in one piece. I'm sure his driving in real life's great, but his driving in game is, well, sort of something to be desired. I've only got another hour and 41. What I'm going to do, guys, is this first video will be the will only be a short one, but they will get more and more, probably longer. They'll get longer, not more and more. They'll get longer when I start getting into it. But for now, I think I'll do this journey and then switch it off. So you get the first journey, the first video. Let's hope I don't have my first crash. That'll be a bit too interesting. Too many firsts in there for my liking. Yeah. Definitely brought over the, because I shouldn't be able to do 56. Have to go over that side of the road. Look at that. Look at the cab wobble, man. That's bad. Like Tokyo Drift, innit, round the corner then, or not? Just a handbrake turn. I've got to move over, so I'm going to have to slow down and pull him behind this guy. Ooh, it's moments like this that I really want to itch my nose, but I can't because I'm driving. Got a little itch in there, I'm happy now. I didn't realise I'd be stuck behind a guy, right, it's good. Apparently I'm breaking the speed limit, whatever. Renegade. I ain't a renegade gamer for nothing. Okay, as it turns out, yes, speeding offences are on. Good to know. Banter. So that police car earlier on, what a lazy bastard. Earn your fucking money, mate. I should be happy that he didn't pull me over, but I mean, come on. Only an hour and 40 minutes of this left. Sorry, hour and 4 minutes. Oh, come on. Hurry up. What is this clown doing? Come on, do limit, mate. You see all sorts on this game. I'll tell you what, this almost does replicate what it's like in real life. You're all just doing 40 and 50s. Come on, speed up. Put your foot to the floor. Get going. I've got somewhere to be, mate. Tractor needs delivering here. Oh, now he's shooting off. Now he's Mr. Speedy Gonzales. Look at him go. Oh yeah, F1. He's rally racing it down the road here, isn't he? a minute ago. Ooh. Right, gonna have to pull off here. Right, slow and steady as it goes, slow and steady as it goes. Okay. Did you even look right, mate? Properly just pulled out. No braking, no nothing. Just pulls out. So that email will likely be a bank loan offer. They are useful on this game, although you don't want to get into too much debt that you just can't pay it back. So what I'll do is I'll build up quite a substantial amount, a nice safety egg, and then what I'll do is safety nest, or nest egg, safety nest, safety net. Good God. And then what I'll do is I will probably take out a loan, get a truck, maybe two if I can, and hire a driver, and then they will pretty much pay for themselves and my loan. Steinbruch. Good. Almost there. Only half hour now. Oh, it's been one long drive. Oh, this is an absolutely tiny drive. It's easy. Piece of piss. And we're almost there. Almost in Cardiff. That was my terrible attempt at a Welsh accent. I would like to mention now that 304 guys are all from Merthyr. What Merthyr, I'm not saying, but they're all from a Merthyr. And yeah, they've got wonderful accents. Except Jack. He just doesn't seem to have an accent. Oh, I'm doing well over the limit here. Well over the limit. I mean, I still am doing over the limit. And that copper just braked in time, just for that copper to just pass on by. Like, nothing's going on here, officer. Just stop for that red light anyway, so start braking. Oh, I guessed that right, didn't I? Almost got a bit of damage to the thing there, but I'll come out unscathed, mostly. Nice. I'm all about that. Oh, okay. That's probably my bad. I am turning across this path, but Jesus. What is the game doing, introducing stuff like that? That's not how traffic lights work. Well, it is in some parts of the country, but not most. Not most of them. And that better turn in circle. Okay. An excellent ride. Get myself a bit of experience. Cool. And a level up. So, there we have it. The very first proper delivery. The very first episode. And I hope the first of many to come. Thanks for watching. I will be with you again soon. Bye.